This is A-level biology. We follow the OCRA biology specification here at the Roan School. This consists of 6 different modules and is assessed in 3 different exams. The first paper is Biological Processes, which assesses development of practical skills in biology, foundations in biology, exchange and transport, and communication, homeostasis and energy. Students will sit this exam for 2 hours and 15 minutes and it is worth 100 marks. Paper 2 is similarly worth 100 marks and takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to sit. Biological diversity assesses the development of practical skills in biology, foundations in biology, biodiversity, evolution and disease, and genetics, evolution and ecosystems. The final paper, Unified Biology, is slightly shorter at 1 hour 30 minutes. It's worth 70 marks, but assesses content from all of the modules. Grade boundaries for previous years can be seen below. They remain fairly constant. You can find the specification for yourself to see exactly what your student is learning. It is available on the OCR website, as seen on the link below, and it contains everything that the student should be learning. If you are unsure about something and whether it is something that you should be learning about, perhaps during your supercurricular work or your independent study, then you should be looking in the specification first of all. It is free to download. A good starting point for revision materials and past papers is physicsandmathstutor.com. It does do biology despite the name, and the OCR website also has a large number of past papers and specimen papers. This specification has only been examined since 2015. However, a lot of the content is the same as previous specification, but the style of questioning is slightly different. But previous past papers can also be useful. Revision books are very, very useful. They summarise the material in an attractive way and provide it in bite-sized pieces to students. My personal favourite is the CGP book. However, there are a great many different books and different styles will suit different students. My recommendation would be to go to a bookshop. Waterstones has very large a variety of them, and have a look and see what suits you best. There are some available in M105 also, and in the Sixth Form Centre for students to borrow for study periods. We are now having drop-in sessions for students on every Wednesday afternoon. For those doing biology, Mr. Kinch will be doing those. I have another lesson and I'm unable to, but Mr. Kinch also teaches A-level biology. He will be available in M106 on Wednesdays at lessons 5 and 6 for students to come in to get support with this study. Other resources that are available to the students are Seneca. Homework is set on Seneca, but students can also choose to access their own bits and pieces that they need to go over on there, and Caboodle is an online textbook along with questions and practices. Should a student need to self-isolate, please do contact us. Lessons and resources will be uploaded onto Teams and students will be able to access them from there. If you require printed copies, please do let us know. If a teacher needs to self-isolate, then we will use Teams to deliver lessons from home straight into the lab at the usual timetable time. If the school is closed due to COVID, then we will continue to deliver lessons through Teams, just as we did through lockdown. If you have any internet problems at home or any access to computers is a problem, then please do let us know so that we can support you. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact your child's biology teacher.